If all you have is a hammer, everything looks like a nail. This adage points out a bias, or an over-reliance on a familiar tool. And although just about anything can be made with your tool of choice, Onshape, it doesn't always mean it's the best tool for the job. Take a product like an iron as an example. This can and has been created successfully using Onshape many times over with many different approaches. The common denominator being that each involves plenty of sketches, curves, features, surfaces, and time to produce the main body. Alternatively, you could grab another tool off the shelf we call the Onshape App Store. The tool, Phi, will change how you approach surfacing design. This intuitive, integrated cloud app enables anyone and everyone to freeform design shapes on a whim. The output bodies are top quality, watertight, and curvature continuous, which can be seamlessly passed to and from Onshape. This seamless handoff helps ensure those downstream features like buttons, water reservoirs, etc., which are best created in Onshape, can update when changes are made to the Phi model. Behind the scenes, Phi uses state-of-the-art proprietary technology to enable you to focus on your design ideas rather than the process. This curve-based technology is unlike anything you've seen or used before and provides plenty of runway to explore design ideas unconstrained, while always maintaining precision and smoothness. Unleash your creativity today with Phi and move beyond the hammer and beyond the iron to push your designs in new and exciting ways.